Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for tuning in today. And in today's video, we are doing a product review and try out. And this is a new product I have never tried before and I'm pretty excited about it. And it's a brow product, so it's from Essence, and this is the Eyebrow pen, and it's a semi-permanent eyebrow pen. So what makes this really unique is that it has three little forks, I guess. It's like a little fork, and you use this to create the look of microbladed eyebrows. And I personally have always wanted to get microblading done. It is quite expensive here where I live. I would definitely have to pay at least over $250, which to some people might not be that expensive, but to me it's quite a bit. And you do have to get it repeated, so it doesn't last forever. I think usually you can go maybe a year and then you may have to get it repeated. So if I was able to find something that I could create that look without having to go and actually spend $250, I'll take a $6.99 brow pencil over $250 any day. So I wanted to try this out on camera with you guys and see how it worked. And I did see some other videos on YouTube of people using this, so I think it's been out for a little while, but I actually just kind of discovered it and I was really curious about it. And by semi-permanent, I wonder what that really means. It basically just says it stains the skin lastingly. Use eye makeup remover to remove it. So interesting. I wonder if I'm gonna like it better than using eyebrow powder, which is what I typically use, and I usually use Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow powder, but I'm curious to see how I like this. And I bought the shade medium brown. I believe that is the darkest shade, but it may be the middle shade. I couldn't really tell because there wasn't many of these left and it was in the spot for the darkest shade, but then again, I'm not sure if I remember there being a shade darker, but I think there may be one that is more of like a black color. So if you have dark, like black eyebrows, I'm pretty sure they have this shade, but definitely check for yourself. So I've already went ahead and did my foundation and concealer and all that because I'm filming 2 videos today and I'm pretty much ready to do my eyebrows. So as you can see, my eyebrow hair is very patchy, very sparse. I do shape them up with a little eyebrow razor because I just can't do the tweezing. I just can't not do it. So I usually use a little eyebrow razor, I shape them up. So this is the best they usually get, but they're barely there. As you can tell, they're very sparse. So if I was able to kind of fill in those areas and use something to create microbladed eyebrows, that would be awesome. So let's go in and see what happens. So the camera angle is going to be a little weird because I'm looking down because I have a mirror right here. So if you guys see me looking down, that's where I'm looking. But what I'm basically going to try to do is just kind of start at the bottom and flick my way up, kind of like create hair-like strokes. So it doesn't say to shake it up first, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then I will start from this one and do the other one. And another thing I'm concerned about is getting these even. That's a hard thing for me to do, so let's try. And I'm gonna do the longer end towards my nose. So I'm holding it like this. I don't know, that seems like the best way. So let's go in and do this. I'm gonna start down here. Actually, I'm gonna start over a little. And I'm gonna just flick it up. So it definitely feels more dry on my eyebrows than it did when I tried it on my hand, which is interesting. The color is good though. I like the color. And I'll I feel like now it's dried out. So I'm getting color, but I'm not getting as much color payoff as I would like. I feel like it's barely drawing it on there, but I'm gonna keep it going and see what happens. Let's start from here and flick up. So over here, I kind of notice it a little better, and I kind of do like the way it looks. It definitely looks realistic. I'm sorry, I hope you guys are able to see this well. The ends are a little harder to fill in, I feel like. Some people might say that they think this seems dry. I would agree. I do think it feels a bit dry. You would think for an eyebrow pen, it would be a little bit more wet feeling, but it actually feels quite dry. But I'm kind of liking the result I'm getting so far. Except for the ends, I feel like they're a little hard to do. But I'm just gonna keep working at it. So if I try it on my hand, you can definitely see it on my hand a little easier than you can see it on my brows. Maybe I need to press a little harder. This is the sparsest part of my eyebrow, is right here. So that's why I am kind of pressing the hardest there, I guess. And then the ends of my eyebrows are very sparse. So I'm gonna do my other eyebrow and then I will show you guys the finished product. Okay guys, so this is the finished product and I don't know, I'm kind of torn about it. I don't really love it, but I don't hate it either. I feel like the formula is really dry. I feel like it took me a really long time to fill in all the sparse areas of my brows. It doesn't make the hair-like strokes as nicely on your actual eyebrow area as it does on your hand. I don't know, I just feel like it's almost like a very dry pen formula and it just doesn't fill the areas in. And even though it looks okay, you can see just how patchy they look. And I'm not really into that look. I don't really like the look of the patchy eyebrows. So I would honestly probably have to go in with something else and also fill it in more with another product now. I feel like this would maybe do okay if you barely had to fill your eyebrows in, if you had pretty much flawless brows and you literally just wanted maybe a couple pieces in the front area here, a front area of your brows that look kind of microbladed. But honestly, I just feel like this is a very dry formula and it just doesn't do a great job for me. I did see that Benefit has a product that is similar to this, so I'm curious to get that and try it out and see if it's kind of the same formula. If you guys are interested in seeing me compare the two, leave me a comment down below. But yeah, I would definitely probably not repurchase this again. I don't like it as much as my eyebrow powder, and I just feel like it made my eyebrows look very patchy. So yeah, not really big on it. I don't think it is worth it. A lot of people really like this product, but I don't know, maybe just for me, it just doesn't work how I want it to, so I would steer clear from it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and definitely if you've tried out this product, leave me some comments down below. And I do want to just give you guys a little heads up. I know a lot of you guys follow me on my Instagram page. I post a lot of makeup looks there, collaborations, etc. And my old Instagram page actually was deactivated because my Facebook page was deactivated, and for very terrible, goofy reasons. So I'm not gonna go into that here, but I do wanna let you guys know that I do have a new page, so please do go follow me over there. A lot of you I am not able to re-add because I do not remember what your screen names were. A lot of people I did re-add, but if you didn't get a follow request from me, definitely come over and follow me and I'll follow back. But my new screen name is S Lucas Beauty 02. So S Lucas, Lucas Beauty 02. And that is my new handle. So if you will just go on over there, give me a follow request and I'll follow you guys on back. Sorry about that, but unfortunately there is crazy people in this world who like to report people for really goofy things. So that's all I'm going to say about that. But yes, thank you guys for watching. Leave me some comments, share this video if you think anyone would find it helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.